January 25th, 2021 vocabulary. Directions. Place the X over the puzzle piece that is not equivalent to 45%. So we know that we can make a percent out of 100. So we know that 45% is 45 out of 100. So first of all, we can definitely just take a look and we can notice that 45 out of 100 is 45%. So that is equal. Also, we have this 45%. Easy peasy. We already got 2 down. All right, now, when you have that, remember, for that decimal, you take that 45 and we're going to make that into a decimal. So it's going to be 0.45 or 0 and 45 hundredths. Remember, you can say them the same way. 45 hundredths is the same as 45 hundredths. So let's take a look over here. This, we have 0 and 45 hundredths. Yes, we do. So that is going to be correct. Over here, we also have 0 and 45 hundredths, but we have 450 thousandths. This 0 is okay. You can have many more zeros after, and it'll still mean the same thing. Just like if I had 45 cents, I'd have $0 and 45 cents. Literally, I would have 45 cents and nothing else. So you can put as many zeros as you want there. So that is going to be correct. I mean, yes, by process of elimination, we can take a look at this one and guess that it is not correct. It's not equivalent. But if we take a look here, we have a 0 in between. So we have just 45 thousandths. So this is actually 45 thousandths. So that is not 45 hundredths. That 0 cannot go there. We can't have that. That changes the whole value. So unfortunately, we are going to have to X this one. Ooh. We are going to have to X this one. Ooh, there we go. Why won't that do it? Yes. Awesome. So we are going to have to X that one. And that is going to be it for our vocab. Great job.